This is a fucking airplane. Anyways, look at this place. Holy shit. That breeze feels nice, and of course I have to start recording when there's a fucking airplane. Jesus Christ. Where is it actually? I got no fucking clue. Whatever, it doesn't even matter. How heavy is this pole thing here? Don't know what the fuck these things are, why they even lit. Oh shit. Ah! That hit my fucking ankles. I know that's not on purpose. I did almost fall, but thank God I did not. Attempt 2. What the fuck? Attempt 3. Finally. Damn. I kind of was expecting the damn thing to be a lot louder than that. I'm out of breath from that. Holy shit. Mostly because I was running like this. Oh. What the fuck are these green things? These poisonous, so that doesn't even matter. That's nice. Holy shit. The shit on the flies there. I wonder if we're gonna get any snow this year. And if we do, then I'm definitely gonna record me. Alright, I think I'm gonna go in and rest. And oh shit, I almost fell again. Anyways, yeah, I'm fine. Go inside and rest up. So yeah, that's it.